Hey guys, Posic29 here. Welcome to episode number 47 of my Bukkit plugin coding tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to set the color of leather armor. I did get a request for this, and it could be helpful if you're, making like some kind of a team-related thing, and teams have different, colors or, distinguishing different ranks. However you want to use it, it's just a quick and good thing to know how to do. Before we begin, I just want to let you guys know that I have decided to cancel the live stream of the paintball. Now, before you take to the comments to hate and press that dislike button, I have decided that rather than do a live stream, I'm going to start a mini-series on coding a paintball plugin. The reason why is because attempting to code a fully functioning and advanced paintball plugin in just a few hours is very taxing, and it may not even be possible. It takes a while. So rather than live code the video, once I reach 500 subscribers, I am going to begin a short mini-series, maybe 5 to 10 videos, and that mini-series will cover creating a paintball plugin from lobby signs to easy implementation of commands, to all the different listeners, to teams and saving and loading, and it'll cover everything that you need to know, and in the end you'll have a fully functioning and nice paintball plugin. So you guys can feel free to write in the comments what you think, but the live stream will not happen. Instead, I will start a mini-series on how to code paintball plugins. So let's go ahead and get right into this. I've opened up chain recipe because what we're going to do is we're just going to change it slightly so that rather than spawn chain armor, it will spawn different, leather armors. Go ahead and rename this from chain recipe to leather recipe, why not? And then let's go ahead and rename the package leather recipe. Good. And then we need to rename the class to leather recipe. And finally, in the plugin.yml, we need to change this information. Posit29.leather recipe, and then craft colored leather armor. So now we have everything renamed and fixed and whatever. So we're going to keep everything the same with the helmet and the plate, but I'll show you guys how to customize the color. So first we're going to want to change this from a chainmail helmet to a leather helmet. Next thing you're going to want to do is when you do the item meta, you can go ahead and say leather, I believe it's leather item, or maybe leather armor meta. Yes, there you go. And then you want to go ahead and cast leather armor meta. Because remember, this is a leather helmet, so you can safely cast. Now, the set name and set lore are still the same. So now you'll see that leather armor meta will give you access to a few other things. As you can see, like all the different methods that are inherited by item meta and object, just different things. But here, like, this is the only method that you're going to get, but it is the set color method, and you can go ahead and pick the color that you want. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and make a lime-colored helmet, and that should all be good. And we can just go ahead and keep the materials the same. Then you're going to do the same thing down here, leather chest plate, and then leather armor meta equals leather armor meta. Do the cast. And then we can go ahead and say meta2.set color, and let's go ahead and make the plate aqua. Why not? And then you can go ahead and remove the unneeded imports. That should be all that we need to do. So let's go ahead and export as leather recipe. And now let's start up terminal. And let's see. Good. Now let's go ahead and open up Minecraft. Okay. Hit play. And now it will launch. Alright, so first thing that we're going to do is test the helmet. So let's go ahead and log in. And now let's go down here and place down a crafting table. And now, if we arrange, I believe we had it arranged like that. And as you can see, we have it arranged like that. And it says, special helmet, this helmet is very special, use it wisely. But as you can see, the helmet is dyed and it is lime green. And likewise, if we put in, I believe it was 6 iron blocks and 2 apples, then you will get a nice special chest plate with the same item made of the same lore and whatever. But it is dyed aqua, just like we said. So that is all you guys need to know about leather armor dyeing. While it's not the most helpful, it's not the most useful thing to know, it can be helpful. So it's just a good thing to know. And I will be using it in the paintball miniseries when we add teams to it, and then the different teams can have their special colored armor. So, as always, subscribe if you want to see more. Comment what you want to learn. And remember, no live stream and a mini series of paintball coding instead. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.